This is Las Vegas Real Estate Now with local real estate expert Harvey Blankfeld.
Where we want to educate you about our market, empower you to make wise decisions, and help you engage with our expert contributors. Well, look, the stock market's going nuts.
Yes.
People are in a panic. We've got issues. We're not even going to say the C word. We're just going to call it the C word. Okay, that's what we've come to. My staff and I have come to the conclusion we don't want to say the big word. We're just going to say the C word.
Okay.
Okay, and that's not consumer. No, it's not consumer. No,
I'm still guessing.
It's that thing. It's that other thing that's going on out there. Anyway, but it's the impact on the stock market is evident, quite evident. What's the impact on the mortgage industry, John? What's happening with mortgages right now?
Well, you know what? For me, I have to share with people that things are moving super fast, and actually, I'd use the words violently.
Wow.
We are seeing...
That's not a word you like to hear about mortgages.
Not about rates and things like that. It is absolutely volatile out there. Now, I'll just share this. Internally, we generally get interest rates that are set in the morning, and they last through the next morning, and we change them slightly, this sort of thing, on a daily basis. In the last couple of days, it's been multiple changes per day.
Wow. Meaning
going higher again, going lower, going higher. It's all over the place, and the market out there, ultimately that which sets interest rates for mortgages, is making bigger moves in much shorter periods of time that are going to catch people off guard. If you had asked me last week, where are interest rates going? I would have told you way down, and super fast they were going down.
Yeah.
And that was true till Friday. And then this week, up we go. Wow. Really fast, really violently. And you wouldn't suspect it so much,
it's
right?
Counterintuitive, yeah.
You don't, but for me, I think there's a number of things that are happening there.
Okay.
Besides sort of the financial stuff in the stock market, one of the more interesting things I'll share with the audience is this. We saw and are seeing a huge influx of people asking about refinancing, along with, in our Vegas market, a very hot buyer's market, right, as far as the amount of transactions there. So there is a huge pressure and crunch nationally on lenders right now. Okay. We have more volume than we know what to do with.
Wow.
Right? And it's a little hidden secret in the industry, but for the biggest lenders, how do I control the volume of phone calls I get or the amount of loans I'm going to do? I only have so many people working for me. We can only handle so many loans in any one given week or month or that sort of thing. So what do?
Raise your rates.
I raise my rates.
Holy cow.
If you get into one of those situations where a rate you're being told doesn't feel good to you, doesn't feel right, check with someone local.
Okay.
Someone smaller.
Right.
Who maybe is not doing that with their numbers, and you might get a nice surprise.
So like big banks, I understand that. But what about the investors at the top of the chain there? From your perspective, does that happen with them too, or not so much?
Yeah, but from a different angle. So I think in what we're seeing this week specifically is this. They have only a certain number of dollars that they can invest in any one given day into buying mortgages from the open market. If they are paying to stabilize their stock portfolio, if they're having to put money elsewhere on their lines of credit to make sure that they're good there, or in the mortgage business, we have a certain amount in general, we have a funding line. So let's say we have $1 billion that we can use to do mortgages and have them be bought back from us. If we tap out that line, we run out of cash.
Wow.
And so we have to either sell off loans before I can do more loans.
Right.
So there's these functions. There's a couple of different crunches that are happening that are causing disruptions to the normal process.
This has been Las Vegas Real Estate Now. Thanks for listening. And remember to tune in every Saturday at 11 a.m. on 101.5 FM, 720 AM KDWN.